Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your OPPO A6x 4G is connected to the Wi-Fi, but you still have no internet. Make sure that other devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network can freely use the internet to outrule the router issue. And if other devices have issue with this Wi-Fi network too, then restart the router, and if it won't help, contact your internet service provider, and ask them if there is an issue on their side. Now, if other devices can use your Wi-Fi network, but this particular cannot reach web services, then the first thing that we're gonna have to do is toggle the internet connection. And I recommend doing it by swiping down the control center, enabling airplane mode for a couple of seconds, and then disabling it to refresh all the network connections. And if this won't help you, hold your finger down on the Wi-Fi tile, select More Settings here, then select your Wi-Fi network that you are connected to, and forget this network. Tap Forget, Remove, then select it on the list once again and enter the password to it. After entering the password, tap Save. Okay, so right now we are reconnected to this network, and if this didn't help you, then we can try to restart the phone. To restart the phone, you have to either press volume up and power button at the same time, or if you have disabled the Google Assistant on the power button, then just hold down the power button by itself and swipe the circle up to restart, and wait until your phone is restarted. After the restart, check the internet connection once again, and if you still have no internet connection on your phone, then the last step is go into Settings, scrolling down to System and Update. Then here you're gonna have to select Backup and Reset, and then select Reset Phone, and we want to reset network and Bluetooth settings. This will also affect your Bluetooth and mobile network settings. Now, in case of mobile networks, it will not do much to your phone, but it will disconnect or unpair rather all the Bluetooth devices that have ever been connected to your smartphone. So once you're ready, just enter this password and tap Reset. After that, we're gonna have to once again reconnect to our Wi-Fi network, and this time everything should be working properly. So let's go back to Settings, then let's find Wi-Fi settings at the top, then let's select our Wi-Fi network and provide a password to it. And at this point, the issue should be gone. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.